What's up, everybody? I'm Nova coming at you with another one. Uh, just having a quick peek at ACDC. Looks like we're starting to get some action. We've got these two engulfing, well, one engulfing candle and a continuation, and a volume candle of, was it like 6 million or something? 9 million up here. 9 million within the first half of the day. But that's not what I want to draw your attention to. What I want to draw your attention to is memorize this fractal. Okay? Now let's look at Bitcoin. There's that fractal that's playing out. And once we break the all-time high, I'm very interested to see if we're going to do one of these, right? Obviously, the percentage gains will not be this much. Yeah, it's not going to be 1,600%. I don't see that, but 100%, could that be possible? So we have this uh, movement to the upside, and if we zoom in, where are we here? We can kind of argue this bull after this pull down, I guess, like a double bull. So the pull down, maybe this. So we would expect some profit taking and then coming back down to test previous resistance, right? So you can see how it runs and then it comes back down and finds support above previous resistance. So let's draw a line like so. And that was support in the past. So support in the past becomes future resistance. Now this is the past. Now it's becoming future support. So whatever pullback that is, if we go back to ACDC, um, kind of right about there. So the past support is now going to be past support because uh, it was resistance just now. So I'm thinking after this spike plays out and we come back and find support, we're going to consolidate again, kind of similar, but this may play out a little shorter. You can see how it's kind of squared off, right? But you can see how it took a long time to get up there and then support for a while, and then we watch. I think we'll have to, before we start adding any more to the position, we'll have to watch for yet another signal. We can see how that engulfing candle did that too. 2 days sideways, a little bit, pullback, blah, 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 blah. So I'm interested to see if that's going to play out like that. On other notes, again, we're on the 4 hour. APO MACD is just popping above the zero cross, which is why we're getting these green candles, right? So we had some green consolidation and now we have a pop. So this thing will run until it's done, and then it's got to try and find support again. RSI is way up here. We've done it in the past. Not sure how long this is going to last, but it looks like the resting period may be done, and we're getting ready for the final mad dash up, and heading into the winter maybe it'll look jagged if you're myopic, but I think maybe we're just going to start seeing the final rally on this bad boy, and then she'll go to sleep. So that is ACDC. Well, let's check daily. So daily we're above 50. That's good. We're on the daily. That's like our first green candle. So yeah, pop up and then come back down, find support. So I think the next solid entry will be around 27, 27.5 maybe. And looking at level 2, there were some major bids. I think I honestly I can't remember anymore. It's been buried, but like in the 20 somethings, there was like 600,000 waiting or something. Now this thing is still running. We just went up to 36.5. It looks like this thing might stall at 40% if it keeps ripping, because each tick or each half cent is between 150, 170, 180. And then at 40 cents, we got 380,000 waiting there. So this thing is chewing up pretty good. And I'm thinking, I don't know, somebody knew something. And then the news came out so they can take profit. I think that's what's happening here. So we'll just wait for all this to level off, and then possibly look for adding to our position down around here. So those who stuck through this are probably sitting pretty now, and we just have to wait for confirmation of continuation. On the hourly, yeah, we're entering oversold, so this is running a bit hot. And if it pulls back, I don't know. It looks like 20s might be behind us. In fact, 300,000 bid just came in at 35. The FOMO's coming in, boys. Okay, so we will go back to daily to keep this nice and even. Actually, maybe the 4-hour. It looks pretty. And there we go. Trade safe.